Bright here. For Bright here, he has to work for all. So 24 hours, so you have to get 100%. 100% of the work. So you have to work throughout the project. So for Ivan, maybe he get a lot of things to do around. So 3 hours per day. So every blessed day, he's going to work 3 hours per that day. All right. So 3 hours per that day. So how will you calculate for 3 hours per day? So if you want to calculate for 3 hours per day, you have to know what entails inside a day and month, or let's say weeks. So you click here, click on the file here, click on the file, go to options. All right, there are a lot of options here, but our focus is on the schedule. So go to schedule. All right, on the schedule, our week starts on Sunday, which we are not going to do it that way. Our week will start from Monday. All right, our time will be the same as it's supposed to be. Once again, sorry for the noise at the back there. So hours per day is 8. Hours per day is 8, but Ivan is saying he will work only for 3 hours in a day. So how are you going to write his percentage? So first of all, you need a calculator. Go here, search for calculator. If you have your own personal calculator too, it's fine, but once we are using the PC, let's use this calculator. So here is the standard calculator. We are going to calculate the maximum time that he's going to use currently over the project. Okay, so now here is it. So look at, if we are talking about day, see how easy this calculation will be. See something here, they will give you like 3 hours per day, then you focus on this, then you focus on what? Hours per day. Okay, hours per day, and the time he's willing to what? Work. So how do you know? It's what? Through divide or through division. That's the word I must use. So click on the calculator here. So it will be 3 divided by hours per day. Let me use it well. 3 divided by 8, and in percentage you want to calculate times 100. All right, so we get 37.5% of his time that he's going to use to do the work. 37 as we got 0.5, okay, percent. So now see something here, see how the things will just end up to be. So we get 38. So immediately just enter such a figure, it will what? End up converting it to what? 38. All right, so the same thing for Prosper. So let's go here and check inside the question. For Prosper, the analyst is going to work 10 hours per week. 10 hours per week. So every week is going to work 10 hours per week. So now let's look at something here. Bring out the calculator. Okay, let's put it here. Okay, and I hope you have seen it, 10 hours per week. Okay, so let me keep it down here. Let's go to file. Let me click here, go to option, schedule. So now let's correspond hours per week to what Prosper is suggesting here. So Prosper is 10 hours per week, and hours per week is 40. So here is it. It's just a simple calculation. So what are you going to do? That's what? 10 over 40 times what? Good, 100. So let's do it. So just simple like that. So 10 divided by 40, okay, times 100. So you get 25%. 25%. 25%. So 25% of the time, maximum time, and 15 days per month. Walamine decides to work too hard, 15 days per month. All right. So as your work determines your salary. So let's look at something here. So the same thing, we go to file. If you want to remember, you can also keep it inside. You can also remember it always, but I want to make this video understandable, so let's choose one of the calculator here, clean everything here. So days per month, and Walama is willing to spend 15 days per month, and the days per month is 20. So probably 5 days left, and he would have even completed the whole month working throughout from Monday to Friday. All right, let me change this. All right, so here's it. So 15 divided by 20 times 100. The same approach. I hope you guys are getting it, how I corresponded to it. So 15 divided by 20 times 100. And I think you guys have even figured it out. That's 75%. 75%. So I write 75%. So right. So 75% is not actually far from 100. All right. So now we are able to allocate the marks of the marks of every person. If you want to know the meaning of the marks, you can just hover here. So the maximum percentage or capacity number of units for which a resource is available today. I think time is fast spent, so let's watch another video of it.